again. Let's do this.
So this is actually easy to fix.
Yeah. Can we wait?
Bro, so you made it right down there.